Hello friends. Today I'm talking about Switcheroo, a tool for converting and resizing images based on ImageMagick. Let's open Switcheroo and drag on it the images we want to modify. Well, it's really simple and fast, very convenient for working with entire image galleries. Switcheroo is available for the most popular Linux distributions and in Flatpak format. Let's choose the size, compression, background color and format, then export. We can also open the images by selecting them, and with the right mouse click Open with Switcheroo. Now let's see how to change background color. For example, let's select a nice light blue. Let's save. A nice flaming red now. For more information on using and installing Switcheroo, click on the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to resizer.net.